Hi, Sabrina Silas here from South State on 5th Avenue, standing in front of Cypress Trail RV Resort in Fort Myers, Florida. Wishing you a Merry Christmas in July. Come check out my lots for sale. One of those could be yours for the holiday. Ho, ho, ho! Welcome to lot 461. This 35 by 90 lot is fully landscaped. A shed and a tiki hut can be added. Come make this your holiday home. The Grinch said, maybe Christmas didn't come from a store. Maybe it came from a little bit more, like what lot 342 offers. Comes complete with a finished shed and a tiki hut with a bar. Come on, let's go check it out. Come celebrate the holidays underneath the tiki, have a cocktail at the bar, and enjoy your fire pit. Great place to spend the holidays. Thanks for touring my lots at Cypress Trail RV Resort, and please reach out if you have any further questions. And Merry Christmas in July!